Welcome to the SameMovie channel. Today, I'll show you how to watch 4K videos from any site, no internet needed. Step 1. Download and launch SameMovie Video One, a powerful downloader that lets you save videos from any site. Step 2. Select the website you want to download from, such as Netflix, and log into your account. Step 3. Use the built-in browser to search for the movies or series you want to download. Step 4. When the videos are ready, the download button will light up in the bottom right corner. Click it. Step 5. SameMovie supports batch downloads, so you can download entire episodes at once. Step 6. Choose your preferred video quality, audio language, subtitle language, and formats in the advanced download. Step 7. Click Download again. The app will start downloading at 10x faster speed. Step 8. When all videos are downloaded, go to the library. Click the file icon on the right to easily find where they're saved. Step 9. Open AVC Video Enhancer AI. Drop your video into it. Set the quality you want, and click Start Processing. It will finish in just a few minutes. Now you have a 4K video you can watch anytime, anywhere, even without the internet. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.